Thinking of becoming a chartered accountant, but not sure where to begin? Here, we will know the complete CA Foundation roadmap presented by CareerAligns. CA Foundation is the first gateway to the CA course conducted by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. The decisions you make at this stage play a major role in your success at CA Intermediate and CA Final. You'll understand eligibility criteria, registration process, syllabus structure, exam pattern, effective study timelines, preparation strategies, and first attempt clearing tips. If you want a strong start and a clear direction in your CA journey, this roadmap is for you. Let's get started. What is CA Foundation? Start with the basics. And what exactly is CA Foundation? CA Foundation is the entry-level course of the Chartered Accountancy Program conducted by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, or ICAI. It is designed to build a strong base in accounting, commerce, and business fundamentals, preparing students for the more advanced levels of CA like CA Intermediate and CA Final. Unlike regular commerce courses, CA Foundation is professional, structured, and globally recognized. It develops not only your knowledge of accounting and finance, but also your analytical skills, logical thinking, and business awareness. Simply put, CA Foundation is the first stepping stone toward becoming a chartered accountant. It sets the tone for your entire CA journey and equips you with the essential skills needed for future success. Eligibility criteria. Now let's talk about who can appear for CA Foundation. There are two main categories of students eligible for CA Foundation. The first category includes students who have cleared Class 12 from a recognized board. These students can directly register for CA Foundation and start their CA journey. The second category includes graduates and postgraduates who wish to enter the CA course. Certain professional qualifications may also allow direct entry into CA Intermediate, skipping the foundation level. The good news is there is no age limit, making CA Foundation accessible to school passouts, college students, graduates, and even working professionals. This flexibility allows anyone committed to becoming a CA to begin at the right time. ICAI Registration. We'll explain the ICAI registration process clearly. Registration is completely online through the official ICAI portal. The process is straightforward. First, you create an account and select CA Foundation. Then, you fill in your personal and academic details, including your Class 12 marks and identification documents. After that, you upload the required documents like photograph, signature, and mark sheets and pay the registration fee. Once verified, you will receive confirmation along with access to study materials, exam forms, and other student resources. One important tip is to register early. Early registration gives you enough time to plan your studies, practice effectively, and attempt the exam with confidence. Key subjects and concepts. Explore the key subjects and core concepts of CA Foundation. The syllabus is designed to develop a strong conceptual base in commerce, accounting, and business knowledge. It consists of 4 papers. The first paper is Principles and Practices of Accounting, covering basic accounting concepts, journal entries, ledger posting, trial balances, and preparation of financial statements. This is the foundation for all your future accounting studies. The second paper is Business Laws and Business Correspondence and Reporting. It includes company law, contract law, business communication skills, and writing skills. Strong communication skills are essential for any CA professional. The third paper is Business Mathematics, Logical Reasoning, and Statistics, which develops your numerical, analytical, and logical skills, critical for finance and taxation. The fourth paper is Business Economics and Business and Commercial Knowledge, covering micro and macroeconomics, business environment, and commercial knowledge. This paper helps you understand the broader business context, which is crucial for making informed decisions. Together, these papers provide a solid foundation for CA Intermediate, helping you develop both technical knowledge and analytical skills. Smart Study Strategy. Let's discuss smart study strategies for the CA Foundation. CA Foundation is concept-driven, which means understanding the concepts is more important than memorization. Start by analyzing the syllabus and exam weightage for each paper. Then, create a realistic study plan with daily and weekly targets. Focus on practical practice, especially in accounting and numerical papers. For theory papers, practice writing structured, well-presented answers. Attempt mock tests and previous year question papers regularly to improve your speed, accuracy, and confidence. Consistency is the key. Regular revision and disciplined study habits will help you retain concepts and perform effectively in the exam. Exam pattern and passing criteria. Look at the exam pattern and passing criteria. CA Foundation exams are conducted offline, with each paper carrying 100 marks and a duration of 3 hours. Papers include both theoretical and numerical questions, testing your conceptual clarity and problem-solving skills. To pass, you must score at least 40% in each subject, with an aggregate of 50% across all papers. If you do not meet the passing criteria, you need to reappear for the papers you didn't clear. Balanced preparation across all subjects is crucial, because each paper contributes to your overall score. After clearing the CA Foundation cleared CA Foundation, here's what happens next. Once you clear all 4 papers, you become eligible to register for CA Intermediate, the next stage of the CA course. This stage dives deeper into accounting, taxation, corporate laws, auditing, and financial management. Clearing the CA Foundation also gives you the confidence to start articleship training later, providing practical exposure in auditing, taxation, accounting, and corporate compliance. A strong foundation ensures a smoother transition to CA Intermediate and sets the stage for success in CA Final. Additional tips for success. Advance your skills with additional tips for success in CA Foundation. Stay updated with accounting standards, business laws, and economic concepts, as these are often tested in exams. Practice time management by attempting papers within the exam duration. Focus on presentation, including clear workings, proper headings, and structured answers. Most importantly, remain disciplined, patient, and consistent. CA Foundation may seem challenging initially, but steady and smart effort will ensure success. Training program. Preparing for the CA Foundation becomes much easier with expert guidance. The CareerAligns CA Foundation training program provides structured learning, concept clarity, and exam-focused preparation. It includes expert faculty, comprehensive study materials, regular mock tests, and personalized mentoring. With flexible online and offline learning options, CareerAligns allows students to prepare alongside school, college, or work commitments. The program focuses on building strong fundamentals, confidence, and exam readiness, helping students clear the CA Foundation efficiently and effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career guidance and professional insights. Thank you for watching, and all the very best for your CA Foundation journey.